This is a female Ginkgo Biloba with fruit. They not ripe though. They ain't gonna do no good. They ripe when they fall and stink. But this tree is full. And look at how fat her trunk is. And there go her husband. This is a male. No, this ain't no male. Oh, yes it is. I think. No. These are both females. Yeah. Look, it's loaded. It's loaded. I'm gonna take, I hope they don't mind. Just take a couple anyway. I have 2 baby Ginkgo Biloba trees, and I am in love. Hey everybody, it's Lady Led, and I'm back outside trying to get in some overdue repotting that should have happened probably at least a year ago. But of course, better late than never. I don't know if you remember my baby Ginkgo Biloba trees that I received. This tree was a baby when I got it. And when I tell you I should have been repotted it, let me show you what the inside of the pot is looking like. That's gonna tell you how long ago I should have been repotted it. Yeah, that's how long ago. That is how long ago I should have been. If nothing else, I at least should have put some more dirt in it. But to me, putting more dirt, I would have had to put dirt at the bottom, which still means I would have had to do some type of repotting. But that's just how it goes sometimes, y'all. The struggle is real. When you get busy, you can't take care of things like you wish, but that doesn't mean completely give up on them. So I'm gonna work on that one, and I'm gonna work on another one. The other one that I have, it's complicated. This one, this actually wasn't the one that I got on the same day. This is one that Lead Farmer 73 ordered for me. As you can see, we potted it in a grow bag, and then the grow bag failed. As you can see, we were trying to move it one day, and it just started falling apart. And we kind of haphazardly got it in the pot. And then we couldn't fix it. We couldn't get it to do nothing because the fabric just kept tearing as we tried to grab it. So the pot that it's in, to me, is a fairly decent sized pot. That's not my problem. The problem is gonna be, I gotta pull this whole thing out, then repot it, and I gotta fight the ants to do it. So I don't know how far I'm gonna get with this one, but we'll see. But I did want you to take a look at just how big and beautiful the leaves have gotten. So I'm gonna do what I can today. We're gonna start with this one since it's the easiest one, and go from there. So this one I'm gonna put in another 17-gallon bucket. So I'm gonna fill it up a little bit with dirt, and then I'll start the transplant process. Now that I filled it up about halfway, I'm gonna see if I can carefully get this tree out this pot it's been in for years. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna try to carefully turn this over. That ought to do it. I don't know if y'all can hear that thunder, but the frogs are starting to go crazy because they think it's about to be nighttime, but really it's because it might rain. I was out trying to, oh my goodness, they are obnoxious. I was trying to get this done in the clouds deliberately so I could take advantage of it not being so hot, because we just went from winter to summer. We've just skipped all over the nice calm spring weather. So I'm gonna do my best with this second tree, see if I can get it in before it rains. It won't hurt to try. This tree been in this jacked up state for this long and it's still alive. Well, at least I got it out. I'm gonna give this a rinse. Help them along. Sorry for the short notice, the short eviction notice, but unfortunately this is my pot and y'all ain't paying no rent. As much as I love ants, y'all gotta go. Whew, almost gave up, y'all. I didn't know if I was gonna be able to deal with those ants. This is not good. When your shovel is floppy like this, not good. I'm gonna have to see if I can find another one, or it's gonna be to be continued. All right, I found another shovel. Now let's see if I can get this done before the rain. Phew. I didn't think I was gonna get it done. I had to find something to prop it up on because it hasn't been used to standing straight up. So my next task is to go find something to brace it with. But I just wanted to give you a chance to see how the Ginkgo Biloba trees are there's the rain now. How the Ginkgo Biloba trees are doing. They are coming along nicely. I like the fact that the smaller one has started to branch out. I might need to do the same thing I did to my chocolate. I might need to clip the top off. Y'all see these raindrops are getting me. But anyway, if I can get them to grow some more, then I'll be able to harvest some of the leaves. I haven't harvested them. I mean, clearly it's not enough to to do anything with right now. But one day, I'll be able to get me some Ginkgo Biloba tea going and benefit from this beautiful tree. All right, it's Lady Led. I thank y'all for watching. All right, that's it. I'm gonna let the rain water them, and I'll come back and feed them in another week or so. This weather is crazy. It's raining over here, but it's beautiful and sunny over there. Must be nice.